The word we'll be learning in this section is もっとも, which you will often hear in conversations when people want to emphasize the highest degree of something, or when they are introducing a contrasting point. The word もっとも means most or extremely, in a way that indicates something being of the highest degree or rank. It can also serve as a conjunction meaning however, often used to present a counterpoint or exception to what was previously stated. The first kanji means most or extreme. It gives the idea of the highest degree or the top of something. For example, 最近 uses it to mean the most recent time or these days. Another example is 最初, which shows the idea of the very first or the beginning. This flower is the most beautiful. この花は最も美しいです。この花は最も美しいです。Study is the most important. 勉強が最も重要です。勉強が最も重要です。Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan. 富士山は日本で最も高い山です。富士山は日本で最も高い山です。That's the most correct option. それが最もです。それが最もです。The most common synonym of the word 最も is 非常に, which also means extremely or very. While both are used to emphasize, 非常に is more frequently used in formal writing and speeches, whereas 最も can also be used in everyday conversations to denote a counterpoint as a conjunction. The most common antonyms of the word 最も is 最小, which means least. While 最も denotes the highest degree, 最小 indicates the lowest or smallest degree or quantity.